If you've ever wondered how to transfer Steam games to a different account, I need to start with the most important answer right away. Steam does not allow you to move a purchased or redeemed game license from one account to another. Once a game is tied to an account, that license stays there permanently. Even if you contact Steam support, they cannot transfer ownership of a digital game to a new account. So if your goal is to actually move the game license, that is not possible. But if your goal is to let another Steam account play the same games without buying them again, there is a very good workaround that does work, and that is Steam Families. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Steam Families is, how it works, what it can and cannot share, and the best way to set it up so another account can access your library safely. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple gaming guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the games. Steam Families is designed to let multiple accounts in the same family group access a shared pool of eligible games. This is the modern replacement for the older family sharing system, and it gives each person their own progress, their own saves, their own achievements, and their own playtime. That last part is important because unlike some old sharing methods, the second account is not just borrowing a login. The other account gets its own Steam profile experience while still being able to launch shared games from the family library. To begin, go to your Steam settings and look for the Family or Family Management section. Depending on your version of Steam, this may appear under account-related settings or in a dedicated Steam Families area. From there, you'll create a family group or manage an existing one. Once the family group is ready, invite the other Steam account that you want to give access to. The invited account will need to accept the invitation before it can use the shared library. After that, the game library is pooled for eligible titles, which means both accounts can see and launch supported games from the same shared collection. Now, here's the most important limitation to keep in mind. Not every game can be shared. Some titles require third-party launchers or external accounts, such as EA, Ubisoft, or Rockstar Games. Those games often cannot be shared through Steam Families, so if a game depends on another launcher or service, it may still require its own separate purchase or login on the second account. Also, some games may have publisher restrictions or online authentication requirements that prevent sharing. So if a game does not appear in the family library, that does not necessarily mean you set it up wrong. It may simply be a title that is not eligible for sharing. If you're trying to solve this for a specific game, the best thing to do is check whether the game supports family sharing before assuming it should appear automatically. For most standard Steam games though, Steam Families is the best option if you want another account to access your library without buying the game again. And just to be absolutely clear, this is not the same as transferring ownership. The original account still owns the game. Steam Families only allows access. That means if the family group is removed later, the other account loses access to the shared titles, while the original owner keeps everything permanently. If you're setting this up for a sibling, partner, or another trusted account, it's a great solution because each account can still keep independent progress and achievements. It's also much safer than trying any unofficial method, which can put your account at risk. So the short answer is this: you cannot transfer Steam games to a different account, but you can share access with Steam Families if the game is eligible. That's the official and safest way to let another account play your games. If this video helped you understand the difference between transferring and sharing, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Steam tutorials, and comment below if you want a full step-by-step guide on setting up Steam Families. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.